Now, boys and girls, is the real moment of truth. Shit. You should never go on a special mission. Well, look, without your lighter. Luckily, we have a lighter. So, this is take 2, by the way, because we fucked up the first time. Oh yeah, in a minute we're gonna burn all that shit again.
Подгон production.
It's light, boys and girls. Oh yes, this car has been standing for 2 years here, and look, 1 click. Oh yes, baby. Sounds sweet. No, nothing on lights.
That noise was just very little fuel in the car, so do not worry.
Everything sounds sweet. Nice, isn't it?
It sounds bloody good.
I know it does.
You videoed the whole thing, did you?
Yeah, because someone